Thank you, guys. And here's my 2 dogs. Isn't that lovely? This is my 2 dogs. Ayan, ang bait nila. Uy, ang sayang, hindi ko na, nagluto ako ng sayang, nagluto ako ng, grabe guys, nagluto ako ng pork sinigang. Ang sarap, kaya lang, puno na yung puno na yung phone ko, hindi makapag-record. Ayan. Thank you, guys. Ayan. Lin! Hello, Sisi. Ayan. Good morning, Sisi. Lin Telebrico. Uy, nag-mark ka dyan? Huwag mag-mark. Huwag mong mag-mark. That's, So, right now, it's 8:38. But the weather is good. And look at, there's a bunch of people walking. So there's a bunch of people walking. Tamsak! Salamat sa tamsak, guys. I know, guys. Good morning. Yeah, thank you, guys. Ayan, my dog is really good. But then I have to secure. Because sometimes, not stable. Ayan. Rowie, good morning, Ate Pinay. Good evening, Sisi Lenlin. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Ayan, nagawa mo na ba, Sisi? Sisi Lenlin, may playlist ka na? Ayan, sis. Do you have playlist already? Nakita ko na mayroon ka ng live. Ayan. Nakita ko mayroon ka ng live. 1 hour something yun. Ayan. Okay. Mamaya, play kita ulit. Sisi Lenlin. Nakita ko na may live ka. Ayan. Gawa ka ng sis. At least 10 hours live ba? 10 hours live. Or playlist live. Ayan. May playlist ka na? Ayan. Salamat, guys. Shout out. Ayan. Thank you. Amazing. Ayan. So, there's Sammy. Okay. Kung hindi pa tumais si girl B. Ayan. Ganyan. Lagyan pala ng net para hindi kakainin ng bird kapag mamunga ang mulberry. You have to put a net. Uy, sino to? Wala pa, Ate Pinay. Tinamad pa. Okay. Let me know kung mayroon ka na kasi hirap mag-play kapag paubos na yung paubos na yung mga flowers ng ganito. Ayan, iyan ang garlic flower kagaya kay Sispia pero hindi maganda kay Sispia. Ang ganda ng pagkabulaklak. Ito, garlic flower plants to. Sabi ni Sispia. But it doesn't look like. Yan. Atras muna tayo kasi. Yung sasakyan. Wow, ang ganda ng sasakyan, oh. Ano to, Jaguar o Porsche? Chevy. Ayan. Okay, Sisi. Okay. Kung mayroon ka ng gawa. Pag hindi ka natin natamad, let me know, Sisi. Hala, dalawa yung aso niya. And then I know his aso is not good. Okay. Okay, we will sit here. Okay, come on. Because, yan. Ayan, guys. Dito muna kami. No